You just found the 2021 Jeep Gladiator. With less than 40,000 miles on the odometer, this vehicle stands out from the rest. Here's an off-roader's dream come true, the Gladiator. This uniquely designed midsize pickup delivers rugged versatility, modern comfort, and classic upright styling. Impressive towing capability, available diesel power, and a host of customizing options let you create the adventure machine that's perfect for you. The following are some of this vehicle's highlighted options: Apple CarPlay and/or Android Auto, proximity key entry, keyless entry, satellite radio, bed liner, heated mirrors, fog lamps, backup camera, V6 cylinder engine, 4-wheel drive. Feel the adrenaline of adventure when you're on the trail in this Gladiator. Treat yourself to a test drive today. Our staff will toss you the keys and give you an outstanding customer experience.